Yeah, I am Guruswamy from Chikmagaluru, and I have studied Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, and it's a Bangalore University, not comes under VTU. And after that, I joined to Jspider to get knowledge, good knowledge from here. And here I see in Shankar Nayan sir. She is a good trainer, and he teach very well, and it's in understandable format. And we first of all I thank for Shankar Nayan sir. Just because of him only today what I am today now. So I got in first attempt only I got offered just because of Shankar Nayan sir teaching. And after that my package is 3 LPA. So it's a good place to learn all